Hey guys, welcome to my MD franchisee review. Here we will get the detailed info regarding this ultimate 6 bundle package that help you in every aspect of digital marketing. This is the first ever bundle package released by Ifio and his team. MD Franchisee Review 2021 comes with a special designed bundle package of 6 different software that is enough to kickstart your own full-time software businesses. The complete rights will be transferred to you for all these premium software apps along with the client panel, marketing materials with a complete 100% done for you system so you can keep all the profits for your lifetime. MD Franchisee Preview 6 premium software bundles are Sushi Cake Reseller, Design Bundle Reseller, Agency Blitz Reseller, the Lead Growth Reseller, the Udella Reseller, the Client Vendor Reseller. The features of MD Franchisee are you can kickstart your own business, full blown business software, no development fees, free Amazon servers, marketing material, no complicated setup, massive earning potential, priority support, proven product, and untapped market. Let's talk a little bit about the owner of MD franchise. The man behind this is MD franchise is Ifio Nikem. Ifio Nikem is a full stack digital marketer, SaaSpreneur under JB Zoo high performance leader after experiencing a massive career shift. A medical doctor turned digital marketer, he built a multiple millionaire dollar online business starting with just $100 and a laptop he borrowed from a friend. He founded Snap Eye Labs, a tech innovation lab that has created and successfully launched multiple SaaS bestsellers, over $5 million in sales, and 40,000 happy users from 47 countries. Ifio was vetted by Forbes and accepted into their prestigious business council in recognition of his track record of successfully impacting entrepreneurs on small businesses, industry leadership, and personal and professional achievements. This bundle is also being discussed at Quora. Let's take a look at the first app, reseller app, Sushi Cake Review. Sushi Cake Social Media Traffic Suite, the ultimate all-in-one Facebook marketing software bundle. Sushi Cake is all-in-one social media management solution that includes all 14 apps responsible for each and everything to grow the social media channel and its engagement. First one is Messenger Bot Builder, a bot that is responsible for all the automation on any website and app. This messenger bot has also come with popular templates of various popular niches. An app that sends messenger broadcasting, an app that sends messages with your preferred offers to how many contacts on Facebook you want. All broadcasting is possible from only one dashboard. Command bot. This is you can set up all the automated reply on every post you want. You can now automate command replies without your presence. FB ads and content designer. With this modular you will get the graphic templates for Facebook post, timeline covers, Facebook ads, viral quotes, memes, and many more. A total of 1423 templates are available that are based on the most important niches. Fifth one is a rich post editor, a tool that can make you social media caption more authentic and engaging. It allows you to give your caption and custom formatting as you want, and you can place all that formatted content on your social media caption area. So sixth one is post manager and clickable images, FB fan inviter, option link, FB livecast engine, content tool, influence tool, and interest tool, and calendar tool. I have attached the demo video in the description box. Next app is Reseller App 2. Design Bundle app suite the 10 in 1 web and graphic design set. This is an agency-based graphic designing software bundle at top of 10 apps that are essential for your graphics needs in the digital marketing. This app comes with an agency license so that you can sell the work to anyone and earn as much you want. Major apps like Website Bundle, Pix, Graphic Designing, and Logo Marketer are a great deal available with MD franchises. Just grab and you can only paying for one mega bundle. The apps that are included with the design bundles are landing page builder, Pixar graphics, logo creator, e-cover creator, mockup creator, scene creator, stock explorer, flexible images, ebook creator, video to GF creator. I have attached the demo video for this too in the description box. Next is about the agency. Agency Blitz. Four powerful DFY kits in one bundle to own and sell the hottest marketing services in any niche. A powerful DFF kits in one bundle to own and sell the hottest marketing service in any niche. Agency Blitz is all done for you. 100% business growth marketing kit. For the need of website proposals and graphics, contents and more, you must go for this offer. With the help of Agency Bits, you can also easily customize DFY website templates and make your website more effective. Prepare the Facebook ads, graphics, get display ads, banners and Google ads, banners, templates and the telemarketing script templates. Agency Bits has 4 modules. The first one is video marketing agency, next one is messenger board agency, mobile app agency, social media marketing agency. I have attached the demo video in the description box. Next one is Lead Grow lead generation app. 100 plus DFY lead gen funnels and viral traffic software bundle that is LeadGrow. This lead generation funnel allows you to build a funnel to capture the leads of various niches. All the lead magnets, landing pages and thank you pages can create with this lead gen app, and you will get a bunch of leads in just a couple of days while you market through the software app and for extreme traffic sources. Next is Udella e-com software. Udella is a full-flash e-commerce solution that helps you identify the winning product in the market, spy on other e-com companies' ads and their product pages on the website. You can also get the creatives of that same product you identify in this app. All the things ready to use. What are the product you want to market and do e-commerce on that product, you will get all the Facebook ads material ready to use. You can add that product directly to your Spotify and who e-commerce platform with only one click. Next is Client Finder, an AI-based lead finding software that gives you the qualified lead in just a few clicks. It works based on the popular niche that you want. This is not only the automated lead finding software, it also has the technology to capture the leads. Client Finder is also responsible for getting leads from various platforms and in various forms. Its technology is based on NLP and ML that automatically identify the leads according to their business type. So the pros and cons of the MD franchise is: pros is resell license available, no need to create other support teams for your client, separate reseller client panel, keep all the profits that you earn by reselling apps, premium software in one bundle only. And the cons are, at the moment I am yet to find the downside with the software. Everything about the MD franchise bundle is simply awesome. They are also having a free bonuses. Let's see about the bonuses. Bonus 1, the swipe file contains every kind of email for your email marketing needs. Inside you have engagement email, follow email sequence, professional emails, newsletter, welcome emails, seasonal campaign emails, etc. Register to get free instant access right now. Bonus 2, this is a premium video course that will give you how to practically generate 5-star review and awesome testimonies for your offers even as a beginner. The bar inner truth is that selling online, especially as a beginner, requires you to have some level of social proof to solidify your creativity. This is where this video course comes in very useful. It will show you how to generate your great reviews and testimonies that you can use for your marketing. Next, bonus 3. This is a deep dive sales script optimized specially for messenger closing. It's hands on and complete step by step. It takes you from how to draw attention to your social post, how to get people to comment and engage with your post, how to respond to commands, how to draw them ethically into your inbox, what to say at every point, etc. And the bonus 4, done for your social media content calendar and strategy for 365 days. With this content calendar, you will never lack content for your social media marketing ever again. You will get ready made daily curated content on fresh and trending topics, giving you all the benefits of reboost content marketing, but without any of the hard work. Here's why you should buy it by MD Franchisee. If you're like most people and don't want to spend the next 6 months figuring out how to build a profitable online business, MD Franchisee is for you. MD Franchisee offer will give you everything you need to start generating leads and sales for your offline or online business in the easiest way. MD Franchisee will assist you in the following a right step to building a profitable online business. It will teach you all about the affiliate marketing and lead generation, as well as how to leverage the power of social media marketing. This is proven and tested system that will allow you to set up a whole business in just 13 minutes. No experience is necessary. So if I have given the demo videos in the description box, also the website Best Buy link in the description box. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you free ebooks. So just contact me on my Instagram ID, send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I'll send you the ebook link. I have attached the official website link in the description box, so give it a go. Thank you.